Yes, yes, yes. Yes, you can ask something. Yes, yes, sir. Presently, the who is alleged accused, the Allu Arjun has produced before the Honorable Court. Police has produced the Honorable before 9th Additional Judicial Magistrate produced them. After the producing the accused has appointed advocate and he has filed a memo of offence and that he is arguing that every accused having a right to appoint advocate and he is having a right to arguments. Thus the sections are applicable or not. As well as he has filed wakalat and arguing that the Allu Arjun is not having any knowledge and not having any intention to commit that size of offences, which alleged offences are in the FIR and remand treasury. Those alleged offences are not applicable to this accused particularly. He is not having any knowledge, he is not having any intention to commit this type of offences will be occurred. So the advocate is arguing that he is not having knowledge that the sections are not retracted to this accused. The remand may be dismissed, the remand may be returned. He is arguing, his arguments are going on. Rajesh, my name is Rajesh. Thank you.